na naman tayo guys. Paboritong kapihan guys. I can see the fear living in your eyes, and I know how hard to try. You deserve so much in my life. I can feel your heart and I sympathize, but I never criticize all you ever meant to my life. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. I would all rather hurt myself, but you never say goodbye. Good morning guys.